Wow. What about those finalists? Give them a round of applause. That is not easy. They were all students. We definitely have to commend their courage and their innovation. And so we're going to part 2 of That's What She Says, Female Founders POV. And coming up to the stage first, we have Bree from GEM. Give it a round of applause. Hopefully they got you on. And then we have Faddy from Global Mental Coaches. Should we sit down? Mm-hmm. Okay. And then Yari from TENNTS. Thanks, ladies. Thanks, ladies, for joining me. All right, so we're going to get right into it. Tell us first, Bree, you're going to kick it off for us.
Check. Okay.
Yeah, the mic's working. It's getting hot.
Had to make sure.
So we're going to kick right into it. Bree, tell us a little bit more about who you are, what is GEM, and how can the Miami Tech ecosystem better help you?
All right. First of all, I just want to thank everybody who's here. Give yourself a round of applause if you made it to Emerge Americas. My name is Brianna Flemings. I'm a DJ, and I'm also a project manager, but I'm building the next best platform for musicians, artists, influencers, and photographers and videographers to, 1, find network connections in the creative community, and number 2, find gig opportunities so we can make some more money in this community, right? And from the tech ecosystem, I'm fundraising $15,000 as a crowdfunding. And then I'm going to be raising $250K after that for angel investors. And just looking for your support, looking for you to download my app, GEM, J-E-M, and just give me a holler if you want to talk to me later. That's all I'm asking for.
Awesome. Thank you. Faddy, tell us about Global Mental Coaches.
Thank you, Kenasha. It's a pleasure to be here. Thank you for the opportunity. So my name is Faddy Abreu. I am the founder of globalmentalcoaches.com. A little bit about my background. I am Colombian. I studied systems engineer. I program and code for a while. Then I came to Miami to study a master's in international business at FIU, where I continued coding. And after that, I went into IT corporate, where I worked more than 20 years in companies like Lexmark and Hewlett-Packard. At HP, I worked almost 19 years. It was an amazing experience because I was able to work in different divisions, sales, marketing, business development. Amazing experience. So the last year, before I quit, my dad passed away. So I decided I wanted to enter in my journey to be an entrepreneur. He was a role model, my very successful entrepreneur. So he inspired me to become an entrepreneur. So last year, I started globalmentalcoaches.com. The reason I started is because many people that have mental health issues, they don't receive treatment either because they don't have, it's not affordable. It's difficult to make an appointment. So that's basically why I started Global Mental Coaches. Global Mental Coaches is a global platform that enable clients to connect virtually with international health coaches that are located in different countries. There are highly educated coaches, mostly are psychologists that are inexpensive. What they like about Global Mental Coaches, the customers, is that they don't need insurance. They don't have to have a membership. Global Mental Coaches is not limited to in-country providers. You can book your appointments with providers in different countries, different languages that have similar backgrounds to many of the community, and people that have born in different countries are used to speaking with providers in different countries. So that's how Global Mental Coaches started. And what we're looking from the ecosystem is that we're raising funding. Funding is what we need, funding. We are looking to raise pre-seed funding and help from a investor leader that can help us raise funding for marketing to grow our infrastructure and improve our product. And also would like to connect with experts in marketing and technology that can help us grow the business. So if anybody is ready to help revolutionize the mental health globally market, please connect with me. Thank you.
Awesome. Thanks so much, Faddy. Yeah, give a round of applause. Yari, tell us all about TENNTS.
Hi, everyone. I am just thrilled here to be sharing the stage with these amazing women. By the way, I want to thank Kenasha for this opportunity. It's been amazing to participate in Emerge America, so thank you so much. And also these women founders that, put their all into what they're building. It's amazing. I'm Yari Carrizo, co-founder of TENNTS. TENNTS is a prop tech startup that automates and helps landlords manage their rental units. We have come a long way since the pandemic, and we're excited to build a productive MVP that connects buildings with tenants and local service providers, creating a trustful ecosystem in every place someone calls their home. It's actually been a great journey, and I feel blessed because I have been able to acquire advisors and chief execs that are allowing us to scale quickly and making this something for the city. The city right now is growing and booming, as you know, in real estate and technology. So I'm excited for these times right now. Looking forward to the future. And now that we're here in Emerge Americas, I'd like to connect, see about any potential strategic partners that could help us and perfect our solution. So looking forward to meeting with anybody out there who would be interested in prop tech and feeling out what the property management world can be in this new era. Thank you.
Awesome. Woohoo. All right, Bree, now tell us a little bit about your experience as a female founder, navigating, building out your company. Let people know kind of like your experience in the Miami tech scene.
Right. First of all, I also want to give a thanks to Kenasha because Kenasha's support has made being a female founder amazing. I don't wake up and anxious or thinking about how to get through the day. I really know what I'm doing. I know who I can go to. I know who I can turn to, and I know who to network with. So being a female founder down here in Miami is the perfect time to be a female founder down here, especially as a Black woman today, okay? So I do want to say that it's been amazing, meeting new people, connecting with people that even if they don't understand what a creator is and what they're doing, this is an economy that's worth over $600 billion. So if they don't know what a creator is, they're going to now because of myself. So it's been amazing. I want to thank you. I want to thank everybody at Emerge Americas for also just supporting this because it starts here. So thank you.
Awesome. What about you, Faddy? How has been your experience as a female founder, navigating Miami tech ecosystem, and what's some insight that you can share with other female founders?
I would say that the program, I have to thank absolutely the amazing program that you did for us founders and also FIU. FIU.
Yes, we got to make sure FIU and the Venture Miami team.
You.
And JP Morgan's for the funding. So it's been an amazing experience. And all this infrastructure is amazing as you get to connect more and more with the different institutions and accelerators. Is really Miami is the place to be right now if you're in the startup business.
Awesome. Yari, so what insight would you give to other female founders who are navigating Miami tech ecosystem right now? What is some advice would you give them?
I would say get out there and speak your mind. Give your product the opportunity to get in the hands of people. As a Miami citizen, and I wasn't born here. I was born in Panama, but I was practically raised here since the age of 10. I know that Miami has grown and evolved so much. Now is the time for anybody with an idea, with something that they have in their mind to get out there to do it. I came from a background of property management. I've been doing this for 12 years. Real estate is my passion. So this platform that I've created helps people like me manage properties, organize themselves, and then give back to the community because we are connecting with buildings and local service providers to create a type of atmosphere in each property that allows the tenant to feel at home and safe with a click of a button practically, because it's just a platform that allows you to connect with everyone. Thank you guys for this opportunity. I'm very excited to be again here with everybody. So feel free to come back to us and ask us some more questions about our products.
Yes, please do. And for those who are not aware, my name is Kenasha Paul. I'm the director of the Venture Miami Opportunity Program. This program was spearheaded by Mayor Francis Suarez with support of FIU, City of Miami's Venture Miami team, with our pre-seed funding with JP Morgan and Chase. And this program helps women of color founders be able to get the confidence, the tools, and resources to be able to navigate searching for and securing private equity funding, as well as building connections in the Miami tech ecosystem. So feel free to check us out throughout the day. We're going to be showcasing different female founders that were in the program. And we look forward to hearing more of these pitches that are coming onto the Launchpad stage. Have a good one, y'all.
Thank you.
Thank you.